Hi guys, I am Raji and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to share my top 10 lip balms. By the way, I am going to start from most expensive in my collection to least expensive. So to know my least expensive lip balm, do watch video till the end. On number 1 we have the Body Shop Lip Care with Vitamin E and SPF PA++. The MRP is 395 and for 395 almost 400 rupees. This is a little expensive balm but totally worth it. It is very light on the lips and moisturizes our lips well, and it protects us from the harsh summery rays with its SPF power. Next we have again from TBS the Body Shop Lip Butter, and it is very perfect for winters. It is little thick than the balm but not really heavy, and it smells exactly like strawberries. And one more plus point we get is that the Body Shop is a cruelty free brand. Next we have is Neutrogena Lip Moisturizer with SPF 15. This balm is for days when you have really dry lips, and one great point is that this product is fragrance free. So if you are the one who don't like fragrance in your product, then this is the product to go for. This is priced for rupees 190 and the product is very decent according to the price. Next we have everyone's favorite Baby Lips from Maybelline New York. I have Pink Lolita and it comes in 3-4 more different variants, and it's priced for rupees 175. Nothing to complain about, everyone's favorite explains it all. It gives a nice color, moisturizes your lips, great and sorted. Next up we have Himalaya Sun Protect Orange Lip Care. Sorry for the condition, but in summers it broke actually. The only problem with the balm is that after you apply it on your lips, it gives like this weird yellowish color on your lips, and I do not like that color except for the tint it gives. It's a really nice balm, and especially for the winters it is really great. Next we have Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm in peach flavor. The Nykaa balm is priced for rupees 149. It heals the cracks from your lips and keep your lips more soft and supple. I personally like clear balms more than tinted balms, and it do have subtle smell of peach. If you don't like heavy fragrances but you want a little fragrance, this is perfect lip balm for you, and it is color free. This balm is priced for rupees 140 and it smells exactly like वो मुखवास पे जो खाते हैं ना धनिया दाल, एकदम उसके जैसा smell है इसका. Nivea and Vaseline are like my all-time favorite lip balms, and the best part is that they don't dry out your lips and they are really lightweight on your lips. Now we have Nivea Essential Lip Balm. And more than lip balm, it's a lip oil because it do have a little bit of flowy consistency. It do have pepperminty smell and gives a little bit, not much, but little bit tingling sensation on the first few uses of the lip balm. Now we have Blue Heavens lip balm in cocoa butter. It is heavenly, and this product really smells heavenly. It smells exactly like कौन सी chocolate है यार वो? This smells exactly like Milky Bar, and when you apply it on your lips, you feel like licking it. And I dropped it. This lip balm is enriched with shea butter, almond oil, vitamin E for wet, moist, super smooth lips, and it really give your lips like a smooth effect and smooth feeling after you apply the lip balm. And for 85 rupees, it's like a pure dhamaka. You should really buy this. Next we have Wadi Blueberry Lip Balm, and the only problem with the pot balms is that you have to apply it with your fingers, and which is not very good. And like Himalaya lip balm, it do also have a little bit of purple tint to the balm. And with this, we come to an end of the video. And now it's time for me to give you that one bonus product which is the best according to me, and that is the cheapest, and it is so good. And that product is white petroleum jelly. The white petroleum jelly I am talking about is what you get at your nearest medical store, not Vaseline jelly. I am talking about the pure white petroleum jelly, and it don't have any fragrance or any color to it. It don't come in any fancy packaging, but it really gives your lips like that pinkish shade what you are in need for, and it gives your lips like proper smoothness, and it make your lips so supple and beautiful na ki no lip balm is going to do that. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, then don't forget to follow the drill. Bye guys, take care. And yes, if you don't like the video, then don't forget to tell me in the comment section below that what you don't like about my video and what should I improve. And if you have any video suggestions, then please do give me. Bye guys, take care.